how to get your first sale with Shopify and the exact checklist that you need before launching your store. That's what we're going to be talking about in this video. I'm James Craycroft, and let's get started. A question that I get a lot, and that is very relevant right now for everyone just starting out, is how do you get your first sale? There's a lot of components that go into being able to get your first sale. A few of those are traffic. Where are you getting your traffic? Is it from Instagram, Facebook? What type of offer do you have? What's your product? What's your niche? There's so many different things that you need to bring together to actually have a winning store. Now, what I found is that you can really have any type of store, but if you don't have the right product, the right offer, targeting the right people on the right platform, if you don't have any of that or any one of those, then you're not gonna be successful. You need to have all of those things coming together. So what I found is the most important part of getting your first sale is getting traffic that's going to convert and at least breaking even, because if you can break even on the front end, then you can profit on the back end. That's what I found. Luckily, I've been able to find ways to become profitable on the front end and also the back end. If you know where to get your traffic from and how to get those people to take action cost effectively, then you're going to make your first sale. But there's other parts to that. You need to have a good looking shop. What does your logo look like? What type of add to cart button do you have? What color is it? Exactly what type of offer are you providing? What's your ad copy on the description? There's so many things that need to come together to make things work perfectly. Do you have a 30-day guarantee? Do you have a security badge? What type of special offer on your website do you have? Are you retargeting? You need to be asking yourself all of those questions. Does your offer perfectly match what's on your website? Do you have a contact us page? Do you have social proofing on your website showing that other people are buying your product? Is your Facebook pixel set up? Have you done the proper research? Have you done your homework on this product, the offer that you're providing, your competition? What type of ads people are running on the influencer page that you're buying from? What type of Facebook ads are being displayed on Facebook from your competitors? Those are all questions that you can answer, and I'm going to be dropping some links below on exactly how to do that. You can see exactly what type of ads your competitors are running. You can do research on the social proof behind each product, how many people are talking about it on social media, how many people are sharing it. And with that, that's how you find out if your product is going to be a winner, if you can be successful with your store. You need to be asking yourself all of those questions before you even make your first sale. So the ability to find the right product, convert that traffic, retarget it, build pixel data, it all comes down to those very simple things. It's not easy, but it's simple. It's so simple. I got my first sale the first day trying Shopify. I put $5 into ads, free plus shipping offer. I made my $5 back in an hour. Like, that ad completely ended up failing, but that was like the first day. Now I'm consistently putting in $5, getting out 50, and I'm scaling that. I'm working on scaling that to $1,000 per day. That's the goal. So it's really simple. Is it easy? No. It will never be completely easy. So if you're just starting out right now and maybe you've put money into an influencer ad and it hasn't worked out for you, or maybe you've put money into Facebook ads, I challenge you to ask yourself, are you putting in enough money for the right audience? Because you may be putting money in the wrong place. For example, I was running an ad on an influencer account with 500,000 followers, but I didn't do the proper research behind that, and I put about, I'd say, it was $100 into an ad, and I made maybe like $20, and that's not even profit. That failed, but what I didn't have back then was the mindset behind what works and what doesn't. What I didn't have back then is I didn't have the proper mindset as to what's going to work, what won't, regarding influencers because I was trying to target this small influencer that didn't really have that great of engagement. And then I thought, hey, I can go to these other influencers that have tens of millions of followers and get the exact same price, or sometimes even a better price, or a little bit more than what I paid for that other influencer. And I got great results from that, and I figured out what worked, and so now I'm using that to build pixel data. So it really all comes down to mindset, research. You need to be doing your homework, guys. If you don't, well, you'll see what happens. And you need to be leveraging the correct tools to do your research. So as I said, I'm leaving those down below in the description for you guys to use, and I hope that helps you guys. It has for me tremendously. I've found so many products that other people were selling in basically a very untouched niche, and now I'm able to do very well with those. So hopefully it can provide the same value to you guys as it has for me. So I'm also going to leave in the description a PDF checklist of everything that you need to have done before you can even think about launching your Shopify store and running paid traffic. Oh, but one more tip, guys. When you're doing your research, you need to not only be asking yourself, is this product already selling, but also how many units are selling, how fast. That's very important, because you might be in a niche where stuff will sell very slowly, or there's not that much demand for it, and you're gonna be at a loss. So you want to find a product with enough social proof that it's selling fast and that there's a high demand for it. So with that, guys, that's all I've got for you guys today. If you found any value, drop a like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video.